Uno Pop. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Shuffle the 12 pop cards to a face-down pile. Whenever you cannot play a card, instead of drawing from the top of the draw deck, flip over the top pop card instead, forming a pop discard pile. If you flip over a number card, then nothing happens. If you flip over a pop card, then add together the values of all the pop cards in the discard pile and that pop card and draw that many cards from the top of the draw deck and add them to your hand. Then, shuffle the pop discard into the pop pile. If you flip over an instant Uno card, then discard all but one card from your hand to the bottom of the discard pile. Remember to yell Uno. Then, shuffle the pop discard back into the pop pile. Whenever you're caught on not saying Uno, you must flip 2 pop cards. The new action cards are Flip 2. The next player must flip 2 cards in the pop pile. If the first card flipped is an instant Uno or pop card, then they do not flip the second card. Discard all. Discard all cards from your hand of that same color, putting this card on top. Wild discard all. Same as discard all, but you get to pick the color you discard, which is also the color that continues play. Wild flip 4. Same as a flip 2, but it is a wild, and the next player flips 4 cards instead of 2. Wild all flip. This is a wild. Beginning with the next player and proceeding in the current direction of play, every player, including you, must flip the top card in the pop pile. This continues until a player flips a pop card or instant Uno. When playing for points, flip 2 and discard all are worth 20, while each wild is worth 50.